Mary lives in a big house. She is old and cannot see. She is completely blind. Mary lives alone. Every day she walks to the store. It is hard for her. The road to the store is very dangerous. There are many cars and people. One day Mary stands near the road. She is afraid to cross the road. Suddenly someone takes her hand. It is a boy. He helps her cross the road. Mary is very happy. She says thank you. But the boy does not answer. He just walks away. The next day Mary is at the road again, and again the boy helps her. But he does not speak. Mary thinks, why is he silent? Maybe he is angry. She says, thank you, loudly. But the boy again says nothing. This becomes a tradition. Every day the boy helps Mary cross the road, and every day he is silent. Mary always says thank you, but the boy never answers. Mary wants to know more about him, but how? He does not talk to her. One day Mary decides to write a letter. She cannot see, but she can write slowly. She writes, thank you for helping me. What is your name? Mary gives the letter to the boy when he helps her the next day. The next day the boy helps Mary again. But there is no answer to the letter. Mary is sad. Maybe he does not want to talk to me, she thinks. But the boy comes again the next day, and again he helps her. Mary writes another letter. Please, write back to me. I want to know about you. She gives it to the boy, but again, there is no answer. Mary does not understand. Why does the boy help, but does not want to talk? Mary writes many more letters. She writes about her life, about her cat, about her love for music, about her dreams. But the boy never answers. The letters seem lost. Mary is sad, but still says thank you. One day Mary forgets her bag in the store. In the bag is all her money. She is very worried. Mary quickly walks back to the store. She does not notice a big hole in the road. Mary falls and hurts herself badly. Suddenly someone lifts her up. It is the same boy. He leads her to a bench. Mary cries, "My bag! All my money is there!" The boy quickly runs to the store. After 10 minutes, he returns. He has Mary's bag. "Thank you very much. You saved me. Why did you not answer my letters?" asks Mary. The boy says nothing. Instead, he takes Mary's hand. He places it on his throat, and then on his ears. Mary suddenly understands. The boy cannot speak and cannot hear. He is deaf and mute. That is why he did not answer her letters. He could not read them. Mary cries with understanding. She wanted to tell him so much. The next day, Mary brings something special. It is a small box. In the box is a bracelet. Mary gives the box to the boy after he helps her cross the road. The boy opens the box. He is surprised. He puts the bracelet on his wrist. Mary takes his hand and slowly writes with her finger on his palm. THANKYOU. The boy understands. He smiles and writes on her palm. JACK. That is his name. Mary smiles. Now they can talk. Now every day Jack helps Mary cross the road, and every day they talk by touching each other's palms. Mary teaches Jack to feel music through vibrations. Jack teaches Mary to walk safely without sight. The letters are no longer lost. Now they write them on each other's palms. They are different, but understand each other better than anyone else. A blind woman and a deaf-mute boy help each other to see and hear with their hearts.